Hello and welcome to this instructional video on reducing rational expressions to lowest terms. In this video, we will be focusing on the expression x squared minus 121 divided by x plus 11. Stay tuned as we go through step by step to simplify this expression to its lowest terms. Step 1. Begin by factoring the numerator. X squared minus 121. Recognize that x squared minus 121 is a difference of squares. This can be written as x plus 11 multiplied by x minus 11. So, the original expression x squared minus 121 over x plus 11 can be rewritten as x plus 11 times x minus 11 divided by x plus 11. This transformation simplifies the process of canceling out common factors in the next step. Step 2. Now, observe that the expression has a common factor in both the numerator and the denominator, which is x plus 11. Since x plus 11 appears in both parts of the fraction, we can cancel out these common terms. This transformation simplifies the problem significantly. Thus, we are left with the expression x minus 11. Without any more terms that can be reduced, we conclude that the simplified form of the given rational expression is x minus 11. This is the final step and the lowest terms of the expression.